Welcome to our fish tank, which at the moment just looks like a greenhouse full of loads of plants. This is a tropical fish tank. The only occupants at the moment are albino cories, which you can see swimming around delightfully. And so we've got some snails. But we also have all these plants, and one of the problems that we've had is I've got a new growing light which is doing marvellously, but everything is now growing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move some of the plants around, plant them in. You can see they've got really good root systems. So the substrate here is gravel on the top, but underneath is actually a semi kind of soil substrate. It's not as good. I have used proper aquarium soil before. This isn't. This is, I think it's made by Tetra, and it's apparently has quite a lot of nutrients in it. To be honest, I think I probably prefer aquarium soil, but having done this tank, I can't really go back. So some of the plants are in the gravel, like here, already, but a lot of them are just floating around. So I'm going to try and put them in the gravel. Having lots of fun over there. So in the end, I've removed everything that was floating at the top because it's a massive tangle. And I'm going to try and work out, I think there are 3 species in here. There's this one with the red leaf, which you can see here. There's this one with green roundy leaves. And then there's one which I do know what this is called, it's cobomba. And we use it a lot for photosynthesis experiments with pondweed. So Canadian, I think I'm from Canada. Maybe that's Alodia. But yes, there's lots of cobomba in here, which actually when we get some more fish, they do actually eat the cobomba, so that will keep that down a bit. So this is like a massive jigsaw puzzle. Oh, wish me luck. So now we're going to try and fill in some of the gaps. I'm going to use these, which are like dongs, to plant them in. So I reorganised it a little bit, put a few more things in the gravel so they're not floating around the top. I still kept some floating, as I think when we get some more fish I might like the cover up there. But yeah. Fish tanks are so therapeutic.